Hi guys, I don't know if maririnig niyo ako but katatapos ko lang mag morning run and morning walk naman. It's already 7:40 in the morning and nakatapos na ako ng 5K run. Nag-walk na ako. Morning run ko, like parang goal ko lang is to 5K run. Wala akong masyadong goal about pacing or whatever. But, yeah. It's energizing lang din to do my activities in the morning. I don't know if makikita niyo ako but here I am. Ayun lang. And later, I don't know what my plan is. But kahapon, plinan ko is to do my activities in the morning. So yun lang. I'm just gonna walk. And I'll see you later. Hi guys, it's already 12:59 p.m. and gagawa ko ng matcha. And dahil naman din ako masyadong ginawa kanina like nung pagdating ko. Nag-shower ako, tapos after ko mag-shower is syempre nagbihes. And then I feel like doing nothing after ko mag-shower. So stay muna ako sa bed ko for somehow 30 minutes-ish. Tapos, after nun, nag-update ako ng Notion ko. Nag-lunch. And then, plinan ko na yung week ko. Dapat kahapon pa, pero plinan ko siya kaninang umaga. And then, yun lang. Okay naman. In total, okay naman yung morning ko. Been so active lately. Every morning. So, good job for me. And ngayon, gagawa natin ng matcha. I don't know if na-share ko na ba siya, but I got a matcha bowl. May medyo fail actually siya kasi may something ganito. But okay naman siya. Like for a 50 pesos na matcha bowl, okay na rin siya. And I also got this shot glass na 10 pesos. This one, I think it's 35 pesos. And then, my current obsession sa aking glasses is this jar for 125 something. So yeah, let's gawa na. Hi guys. Sorry sa lighting. Ganyan kasi overhead light lang. And so, andito ako ngayon sa taas and I have here my traveler's journal. My journal, current read ko. And I have an and hot chai oat latte. And this have been my go-to hot drink ngayon, cold season. Parang kakatry ko lang sa kanya last time. Like, kasi parang usually pag nag-chai latte ako is iced chai oat latte or something iced. Like, mahilig ako sa iced drinks. So, parang nung nakaraan dahil sobrang lamig is trinay ko mag hot chai latte and I loved it. And basta I loved it and ayun, parang comfort hot drink ko siya ngayong Christmas season and gonna journal while I have my hot chai latte and I have to catch up with my journal actually kasi parang it's been days since 2 days lang naman, like it's been 2 days since hindi ako nakapag-vlog and yeah, and here is may aayusin akong insert. Like, I want this insert. I don't know if itong palang plano ko sa mga inserts ko, but I want one of this insert to be my parang takeouts ko. Hi guys, it's already Wednesday and it's 10:22 in the morning. And I have errands today. May pipick up din ako mamayang 11 a.m. And kanina pa ako tapos mag-get ready. But ayun, kikil na lang ako ng time. I am currently watching Moya's new vlog. Pero pinos ko muna kasi alis na ako. So this is gonna be my bag. I have here my charms. Charms. Ayan, ito. A merch. And then, my cousin gifted this to me. An old film canister or all. And then, my hand sanitizer. What's in my bag? Essentials is these headphones. Gonna bring my traveler's journal. Kasi bala ko mag-journal. Yung aking commonplace or journal. And wallet ko. And then, panyo. And then, payong. And then, yun lang. So, may plan lang sa errands na to is, syempre, yung pick up yung something, and then, kala mo something, passport lang naman. Pick up ako ng passport, and then, titingin ako ng pang-gift sa friends ko. And then, try ko pumunta sa Landers to pick up my membership. So, yun lang. And then, magjo-journal ako. And I need around like 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. makauwi kasi I want to run and I want to walk today. This is gonna be my outfit. Simple lang. Gonna have this jacket from my mom. Then, I'm gonna be wearing this Hi guys! So, going for a 5K run today. And I'm just finishing my iced coffee. Saglit lang kasi basta 5K run lang. Kasi mag-walk din ako after. It's gonna be my outfit. Kahapon nag-run din ako pero dapat morning. Kaso, tinamad ako or ko rin alam. Basta hinantok din ako kahapon kaya hapon ako tumakbo kahapon. And ngayon din, kanina dapat morning run kasi it's been 3 days ato or 2 days na. Since 2 days ako nag-morning run. Kahapon and ngayon is afternoon run. So yeah, yun lang naman. Nagtatakbo na ako kasi baka mulan pa. Dito lang naman ako sa amin tatakbo. Like, dito lang. Kasi, ayoko na lumayo pa.
Asa ka sa Badunay?
Hi guys! Today is Friday and katapos ko lang mag-shower. Actually parang like mga 10 minutes ago na or 30 minutes, I don't know. Pero katapos ko lang mag-shower kasi I ran 10k kaninang morning and I'm having my green tea. I ran 10k today because I plan to run 5 kilometers every day, but yesterday is umulan, kaya ngayon ako bumawi. And right now, I'm just chilling, like, I'm just finishing my green tea, my morning tea. I just journaled from my journal app and I just logged my state of mind sa phone. And this, like, in the past 2 weeks, I guess, or 1 week, I really don't remember, but I'm using my phone less, but I always use my laptop. So I don't know, the screen time here is very low, but my screen time on my laptop is very high because like I always use my laptop on a daily basis. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna be journaling about what happened yesterday. And today, I really don't have any plans. But according to my calendar, like my go-to calendar, like where I plan is I want to run 10 kilometers, which is it's already done, and do 10k steps. And this month rin pala, I plan to reach a goal which is at least 10k steps a day. So it's done. Just gonna update my Notion first pala. Then I'll gonna make coffee and then journal. So what I made here is an iced coffee with a chocolate from Riyadh called Hanoverian something. It's a chocolate with caramel. It's a white chocolate with caramel. And then, yeah, sarap siya. It's gonna be my fuel for the morning and I don't know if gagawa ba ako ng matcha later. Hi guys, it's already 4:19 p.m. and right now I'm gonna matcha chai oat latte. Basically matcha oat siya with chai tea. So yeah, gawa na tayo. Dahil meron siyang lagyan ko siya ng chai. Siguro dadagdagan ko ng isang scoop yung usual way. Usual way. Madami na nga yung scoop eh. Siguro okay na yan. Sige, dagdag tayo ng onte. So, bali paste method yung gagamitin natin. I got this matcha ball pala from Japan Surplus. And medyo fail siya actually. Pero serves its purpose naman. So, okay lang, I guess. So, last 2022 na-try ko na siya sa Starbucks. Like, I ordered matcha latte and then nagpa-add ako ng pump of chai. So, medyo matagal na and di ko na alam yung lasa pero let's see if masarap siya. Sarap. Parang mas masarap ata yung akin. Hello. I think this is my first time doing this combo. Hi guys, it's Christmas Day and I'm craving some chai oat latte. This is my last box of chai tea and this is my second to the last outside. So yeah, I'm gonna make some iced chai latte and I just wanna share what happened to me in the past 24 hours. Kasi parang tradisyon na namin na Christmas sa mga lola ko, which is mga kapatid ng lola ko, and I really don't plan to get drunk but I got drunk. And the last memory that I remember last night, or should I say around 4 a.m. or 3 a.m. is nagsusuka ako and I don't have any memory paano ko kami nakauwi. So yeah, okay naman yung Christmas ko. And yeah, kaninang around 9 ata ako nagising and then natulog ulit ako. And bumangon ako around 4 p.m. na. So yeah. So yeah, gonna make some ice chai na. Na-realize ko na pwede naman pala akong umupo while making. So, my jar. I have one here pa naman. And lately, I've been making hot chai latte pag trip ko. Pero ngayon gusto ko ng iced chai tea. So, gagawa tayo ng iced chai tea. Kasi I can make